Introducing Elegoo Orange Storm Giga, a revolutionary 3D printer with gigantic build volume. Empowered by Clipper firmware, Giga can bring your designs to life at a maximum speed of 300 millimeters per second, making sure long waits become a thing of the past while preserving utmost model size and quality. Giga offers effortless control right at your fingertips. With a 7-inch screen, every detail is under your command. You would also step into a new dimension of creation. 4 nozzles and 4 heated beds work in harmony, translating your imagination into reality at quadruple the speed. With a generous build volume, Giga provides a grand canvas for your imagination, enabling larger creation and more ambitious projects than ever before. Ensures consistent, high-quality prints by providing precise thermal control.